Want to know how to check your history or the changes you have made to your projects in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple in just a few steps and definitely under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. So we have also created a video on how to set up and create and install Audacity, so make sure to watch it. And once you've done that, on top you should be seeing this navigation bar right here. And here you should be also seeing view. So just simply select view, that should be right beside transport. And once you've selected it, here you should be seeing history right here. It should be right below skip to, let's simply select history. And right here you should be seeing manage history or action right here. So you can see this and interact with it as well. And you can also see total space used, that is 66 MB, and also keyboard space used. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.